Hello everyone, this chapter is for you to share. The third part. SIM finding function of the laser SIM tracking sensor. Chapter 3. Demonstration of SIM finding function. The program has been written in the previous section. This section is mainly for functional testing. First, we can see that this is the sensor shooting point. Then we run the program. The welding torch has reached the scanned position exactly. Now move the workpiece position. Rescan the workpiece. It can be seen that the point position has been corrected in real time. That's all for this section. Thank you all.